We're hanging 2 doors today. We just took the old doors down right here on the truck. There's Brad. You know him from TikTok. We're going to be filming the door as we go. You guys will see more of it getting done. Right now we're going to put up the climate seal. The doors are out. The old hardware, we put it all in one box. Kind of want a clean work environment. The new doors are over here. Everything's on the floor down there. All the new parts, all that's going to be in within a couple hours. Close to 7,000 for a job like this. The doors were, I believe, just under 2,500 bucks. It's going to take probably around 3 to 4 hours. So anyway, we'll get started with the climate seal. That's the door trim on the outside here. You want to measure it out? You can hook it onto the door jamb. You've got 3/4 of an inch under, but if you look over here, you don't have any footing to worry about. A lot of times you'll have a foundation here. Like on the other side, you have a little foundation. Whenever you have that on both sides, you're gonna have to worry about, you know, that thing. A lot of looked like it's been chipped already, but a lot of times it's poured right to the finished door jamb here. So then what you would have to do is, if it overlaps, like right now, this door is gonna overlap a little bit more. You need this full 1.5 inches on the bottom for the roller and the track to fit in here. So, but they look like they already notched it for us, so we have a little extra room, so we won't have to do any notching. We're gonna go ahead and start with the climate seal. This is how the climate seal goes on. I got a nail gun. Might want to get yourself a nail gun. You want this inside edge flush, and this back edge here, and then I get a couple in between here. Whenever you're changing the nails, I always take the battery out, just in case. You want it to be straight. See, this stuff is like fiberglass. It's not even real wood. Nail that in. The top is lined up. We could get a nail in it. If you cut it short, you can always raise it off the ground a little too. I'm showing Brad how to put the climate seal on. That gives him the actual confidence when he goes out on his own to hang doors. He took our course and he's doing very well. He's doing a lot of service. They didn't have any climate seal. And whenever you're doing these steel doors, I recommend putting climate seal on. We're going to show you the door going in, but we're not going to show you everything. We're just going to show it going up. If you want to learn how to do this, you can go to the website and go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com, and you can learn how to do this like Brad did. He's excited that he got in the business. He knows a lot of stuff. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started with the bottom panel here. They come in a box on these ones. We're going to just start stacking the doors up now. They forgot to put the, see, this goes this way, the same as the L. And you hand tighten them for now, remember that? Then you line these up.
A big 9/16 track bolt or a regular bolt?
I leave everything loose.
What's that hand tighten it for now thing?
Make sure you tuck it in right when you wrap it.
Feels good.
This one's finished. The double door's finished. It works right here. I just stacked the small door.
Definitely didn't talk. My arm hairs are standing up.
Door going up and down. Nice and balanced. Look at that, one finger. Actually 2 fingers. But it's working about good. Nice and easy. Okay, this is, we're putting the insert in the glass, and they forgot to put the insert in the glass. We just put the decorative handles on them. And we're gonna ask the lady if she wants the straps on them. She'll go up in these corners here. There's 2 doors we just put in. Door closing. This is the one where they didn't give us the insert for the top panel. See the crossbars on there?
I absolutely love it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Anybody who's thinking about making serious money, getting into a trade they're gonna like, get into the garage door business. Every single garage door, drive around and look how many garage doors there are. Every single garage door breaks. If you don't want to do this, that's fine. I'm trying to help, and I'm trying to get you guys to get incentive to take care of yourself, to be a go-getter. Don't listen to other people telling you what to do. The best part of being in the US is you get freedom. This is free. You get to do what you want, make what you want, go out and earn a living and do something you want to do that's not that hard. I get to drive around, make good money. People call me. They need me. It's like someone's having a heart attack. Get over here. That's how they are. So they only need you. They're not going to call a handyman to fix it. They're not going to call a carpenter or a contractor who worked on their house to fix it. Even if they did, and say the handyman showed up, he would tell the guy, I don't work on those. I don't even know where to get those springs at. You got to call a garage door guy, and then you're going to show up. You're going to call you. Everyone funnels the work towards you. They rely on you. If I want to just decide right now I don't want to work, I can just go, okay, I'm not working. Make them for tomorrow or the next day. This business, you feel good about it. You're helping people out. There's not that many garage door technicians, I'm telling you. Once you sign up, take the course, get in, start making the money, we could guide you the whole way too. Because, you know, it's very easy to guide you and tell you what to do. If you do it, you just repeat and you will be making this money. You just got to know the certain things about the garage door springs and cables and certain little tricks that you can do to make your life easy when you get there. You're going to love doing this trade. They're going to call you, you're going to go out. You know, driving out there, you're making at least 500 bucks. That's like a minimal. Your job, it will be around your life, not your life is around your job. Changed a lot of lives by doing this. A lot of people are like, they tell me they're indebted to me for the rest of their life, and they can't believe how much money they're making. They love this business. They're cut out for this business. We have guys sending me a bottle of whiskey and all that stuff, Blue Label or something. I asked him what's Blue Label, and he sent me a picture of it. The best way to do it is to learn the right way, learn for inexpensive. This, you know, 1 or 2 service calls, you can pay yourself back. You could practice with those 2, and you're already paid back for the whole course. And then you still get access to the course. You get a lifetime membership to the course. So if you forget something ever, you can look back and they're all labeled. If you forget how to reset cables, I'll just give you an example. You can go right to reset cables and watch a little video thing there, and right out in the driveway too. Like you can go to your truck and watch it on your phone and go, okay, now I remember, and go back in. Just that alone, this class is worth it. So garage door people also take our course. You know, they see some of the stuff we do that they didn't know you can do, so they want to learn more of our tricks. So they just take the course because they know the money they make, $1,499, that's really nothing when you start making the money. So www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. It's not hard to make $1 million a year doing repairs and not working hard in this business. And when I was younger, I did all that, but I'm not doing it now. I'm just going to show you guys so you guys learn and are able to appreciate how much money you can make. And there's not that many guys doing it. So every door that breaks, every spring that breaks, every cable that comes off, anything goes wrong with a garage door, and you're in one area, even if you have 5 people in an area, there's too much work for 5 people. So you're going to be getting calls. Everyone who gets in this business does very well. So if you want to learn this business, the most inexpensive way to learn it, you can learn a trade where you make incredible amounts of money. We teach you the basic fundamentals. All you got to do is run ads, go out there when they call you, charge good money, and you'll figure it out, because the amount of stuff we teach you, you're going to remember once you get there, and you're going to know how to do all this stuff. So I know it might feel intimidating, but you know what takes the pressure off on this business too is they want you to come out. They're like waiting for you. You're like an ambulance or something showing up. It's almost like people take their garages for granted. They don't have any clue how they work. They just push a button and it opens. But the minute something goes wrong with their door, the minute they break, they're lost at sea or something. They don't know what the hell to do, and you're like the only boat coming by. They don't care. They want to be rescued. That's how you feel when you go to these jobs, a lot of them. So get ready for that. It's a welcoming feeling. It's a great trade to learn. It's exciting to learn it too. The fundamentals of a garage door, the way that it operates. Once you learn all that stuff, you feel smarter than the guy next to you. So anyway, I hope to see you on the next. Talk to you later.